If you want to disable Google Feed on the home screen on OnePlus 15, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option or setting that allows you to just simply deactivate the Google Feed page. However, what you can do, for example, is you can tap on your profile here in the upper right corner, and then we can go ahead and choose Settings. Next, we're gonna go to Other Settings, and you want to disable Discover. And after that, while you can still see the page itself, the news is gone. So you can, for example, leave it like that. On the other hand, if you want the page to be completely gone, what you can do also is you can go to Settings, open Apps in here, and go to App Management. Now, if we scroll down, you should be able to find the Google app, and you want to disable the app over here. The drawback is that if you disable the Google app, you lose access to certain Google features, like for example Gemini or Circle to Search, but also the page is gone as well. Now, on the other hand, you can re-enable the app, and now as you can see, the page is also still gone. However, it is not gone forever. If you, let's say, restart your phone or something like that, then the page will be back again, unfortunately. Leave a like and subscribe.